Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Onforu LED floodlight camera. This is hardwired, as you can see right here, and you simply stick it on your wall outside. You can adjust these lights completely, like so, however you like to light up the area, and you can also adjust the angle of this camera, as you can see right here. This camera up above has a slot for a micro USB card to go ahead and store the footage. It is smart, so it does hook up to an app, and you can record everything from within the app as well. Here is the actual lens on the camera. It's got a microphone, of course, so you can talk to the person that's behind the camera, and the person can also talk to you. And it's got night vision as well, so you can see everything in the dark quite easily. It comes with a product manual right here. It also comes with an app download guide, and it comes with a how to use the app guide. So as you can see, this thing basically tells you how it works. Super easy to use. I've used their apps before, very clean, and allows you to record footage very easily. It comes with a bracket here, as well as hardware for installing this on the wall. It also comes with things to attach the wires, and you even got this adhesive pad right here to, I assume, stick this right here onto the wall in addition to the hardware. So overall, this thing is great, super adjustable, great for home security, and also lights up any areas so you can see well outside. Overall, highly recommend this LED floodlight camera from Onforu. Thanks for watching.